It is not the least bit surprising that the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISA, has announced an increase in the price of grandstand tickets for the Saturday of Champs, up from $5,000 to $7,500, with season tickets now up approximately 30%, going for $12,500 and $15,000, depending on the category. Importantly, bleachers tickets remain the same. Now, I don't know if this increase has anything to do with the departed Flow sponsorship for Champs and the resultant shortfall in the revenue for ISA. But the only surprise for me is that it took ISA so long to hike the price of the Saturday grandstand tickets for Champs, for the simple reason that the demand was so overwhelming. From my estimation, every year about 2.5 million people, yard and abroad, run down 3,000 grandstand tickets. The price must go up. That is simple economics. We know some people go squeal and bawl and say it's a wicked, but that is the power of demand driving up the price of the tickets. At least now, less people will be bawling about favoritism and we can't get ticket and ray and tear. Remember, not everyone can hold inside the grandstand or even inside the stadium. And my maverick advice is, if you cannot get a grandstand ticket for Champs, get a bleachers ticket. If you cannot get a bleachers ticket, work with the TVJ coverage.